Hi guys, welcome to Printride. I am your host Zanveer, and today in this video we are going to do a production video of 30 t-shirts here, and we'll be doing in both side print, back side 3 color and front 4 color. And today we are going to do 3 color in our 4 color 2 station startup press. After doing 3 color, we'll go for the other 4 color in some other press. So guys, before starting the video, I like to thank our client who have gave his order to us to make a video. So guys, before starting the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for faster notification. And if you have any query or you want to start your printing business, the number is given in our screen on the right corner. You can call us freely for all your doubts. And for further details, visit our website printride.com. So guys, without any delay, let's start the video. And first, in a video, we'll adjust the frames in a fast forward movement. We already applied the pallet tape markings. You can see, you have not seen the videos, see our previous videos. So we'll do it in some fast forward movement, so that because it will take some time. So to reduce the time, we'll do some fast forward. So guys, let's start. So guys, we have adjusted all the screen, and like after adjusting the screens, we have given the squeegees and all thing is done. Now we are ready for the print, and we'll start the printing. Before that, many people ask me questions that how you adjust multicolor without micro. So for them, I give an answer that use a hammer. So sometimes you can adjust with a hammer, little bit you knock it out, you will get some adjustment, or make your image, lighter image, little bit half mm or 1 mm more bigger than the darker image, so that lighter image can cover. First print the lighter image, then go for darker image, so that lighter image will give a cover up for the print, so that then you print the darker image, so darker image will cover up the lighter image. That's how you can manage multicolor printing if you don't have a micro registration. Okay guys, without a delay, let's start the printing. So guys, before the starting, last thing I want to tell, we'll be doing both side printing, and both side after with the printing we'll put a stopwatch, and we can see how much time it will take for us to print 30 t-shirts 3 color job. So guys, for that Suraj, my colleague, will be helping me for the printing. So without any delay, let's start the printing. So guys, you have seen like how we done in a fast forward way. So we have completed our 30 t-shirts, and me and Suraj have done it in a time span of 41 minutes 27 seconds. So we've completed the 3 color job with a time span of 41 minutes 27 seconds. So if you are doing alone, it might take double of the time, and if you are doing single color, double color, it will take less time. So guys, that's how we used to do production. If you like our video, comment below, or if you want to see something else, then also comment below. We'll try to make it. And on our next video, we'll show you the front part of the t-shirt with 4 color in some of our professional presses, big presses. So till then, Ranveer is signing off. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel, and as I always say, stay tuned. See you soon.